So, good day everyone. We're going to discuss the evolution of Asian cuisine. So, Asian cuisine is known for its diverse flavor and deep traditions, shaped by geography, history, and cultural exchange and technology. So, example in cultural exchange is the spread of Buddhism from India to China. Japan and Southeast Asian influence local cuisine by promoting vegetarian dishes such as Japan's shoshi ryori, which emphasize seasonal vegetables and tofu. These adaptations not only aligned with Buddhist principles but also contributed to the development of unique plant-based cooking techniques across the region. So this report explored the history, regional variation, and modern change in Asian culinary practices. So there are six very significant regional cuisine in Asia. So the first one is Central Asian cuisine, East Asian cuisine, North Asian cuisine, South Asian cuisine, Southeast Asian cuisine, and lastly the West Asian cuisine are involved. A cuisine is a distinct range of cooking methods and tradition associated with a particular culture. Asian being the world's biggest, most populous continent is home to a diverse range of culture, each with its own distinct cuisine. So, so ancient beginning. Asian cuisine is rooted in an early agricultural practices and indigenous ingredients like rice, millet, and wheat, with domesticated animal providing protein. Methods such as steaming, boiling, and fermenting develop forming and foundation of diverse culinary tradition. So, meaning Asian cuisine varies wildly, reflecting the region's diverse culture, ingredients, and cooking techniques. For example, the Japanese cuisine emphasizes fresh seafood and umami flavors, as seen in sushi and miso soup, while Indian cuisine is known for its rich spices and curry like butter chicken and biryani.
Central Asian cuisine is rich, diverse, and deeply rooted in the region's history, geography, and nomadic traditions. The countries typically included in Central Asia are Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and Tajikistan, along with some overlapping culinary influences from neighboring regions like Caucasus, Iran, and China. The neighboring The cuisine reflects the area's vast landscape including steppes, mountains, and deserts, with each culture contributing its unique flavors, techniques, and ingredients. Traditional dishes are served like shorpu, shashlik, mastoba, manti, pilaf, and samsa. Kumis is a traditional drink of the Turkic peoples of Central Asia. Next.
So East Asian cuisine encompassing Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Taiwanese, Mongolian, and Tibetan cuisines. East Asia offers a vast array of flavors and dishes. Staples like rice and noodles are ubiquitous, complemented by ingredients such as soybeans, seafood, and various vegetables. Each country boasts its unique culinary identity. So it says here that the East Asian cuisine is a diverse collection of culinary traditions from different countries like China, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Mongolia, and Tibet. So, in-emphasize nito ang mga common use ng kanin and noodles. Kasama na din ang soybeans, seafood, and vegetables, while highlighting the unique culinary identity of each of those countries na nabanggit ko kanina. So actually, ang East Asian cuisine ay hindi siya monolithic entity, but it is rather a collection of distinct yet interconnected culinary traditions. So understanding the unique ingredients and pati na din yung mga techniques ng bawat country na nabanggit ko, which is in China, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Mongolia, and yung Tibet, na nagpo-provides ito ng deeper appreciation for the region's rich culinary heritage. Next. So, China. It is known for its regional diversity. Chinese cuisine ranged from the spicy dishes of Sichuan to the savory flavors of Cantonese cooking. So, China, it is, um, kasama siya sa East Asian cuisine. I mean, like, China is one of the example from the East Asian cuisine. So it is a vast regional diversity within Chinese cuisine. So it contrasts the spicy food of Sichuan province with the savory flavors of Cantonese cooking. And it's also illustrating the wide range of culinary styles found across China. So ang Chinese cuisine is not actually a uniform cause it varies significantly based sa kanilang region. Gamit ang mga different ingredients and pati na din yung mga cooking techniques nila. So, kilala ang Sichuan cuisine for its bold use of chili peppers, while ang Cantonese cuisine naman, it is often characterized by its lighter and yung pagiging more delicate flavors ng mga dish niya. Next.
Japan emphasizes fresh, seasonal ingredients with dishes like sushi and tempura. So Asian period during the Edo period, early Japanese cuisine was primarily based on hunting, fishing, and gathering. Digimon people relied on seafood, wild plants, and cane. So in Yakikusama period, also introduced of rice cultivation, which became a stable food. Other crops like wheat, barley, millet, and soybeans were also cultivated. So in classic and feudal periods, Heian period, the aristocracy enjoyed elaborate banquets with a focus on aesthetic and presentation. The use of chopstick became widespread. Kamakura and Muromachi period, the influence of Zen Buddhism led to the development of vegetarian cuisine known as Shojin Yori. Edo period, this period saw the rise of urban culture and development of the popular dishes like sushi, hindi klaro, also became an important cultural practices. Modern era Meiji period. Western influence began to shape Japanese cuisine, introducing new ingredients and cooking techniques. Post World War II, the introductions of refrigeration and modern transportation allowed for greater variety of ingredients and the spread of regional dishes across the country. So in contemporary cuisine today, Japanese cuisine is a blend of traditional and modern influences. Dishes like sushi, ramen, and matcha desserts have gained global popularity. Modern Japanese cuisine often incorporates international flavors and techniques, resulting in innovative fusion dishes. Japanese cuisine continues to evolve, reflecting the country's respect for traditional and openness to new ideas. It's a culinary journey that connects the past with the present, offering a taste of history in every bite. Great. Features fermented foods like kimchi and a variety of barbecue dishes. During the Asian period, prehistoric period, the early Koreans relied on hunting, fishing, and gathering. The introduction of agriculture during the Three Kingdoms period, 15 BC to 668 AD, mark a significant turning point. Stable crops like rice, barley, and millet became central to the Korean diet. Fermentation, the techniques for fermenting foods such as kimchi began to emerge as preservation methods were developed. Dynastic influence Goryeo dynasty. This period saw the refinement and diversification of Korean cuisine. Buddhism influenced dietary practices, leading to decline in meat consumption and an increase in vegetarian meals. So in Joseon Dynasty, Confucian ideals emphasized harmony and balance in meals. So this era saw an increase in the variety of side dishes and the use of ingredients like soy sauce, garlic, and sesame oil. So in modern era 20th century, the Korean War during 1950 to 1953 brought significant changes including scarcity and introduction of Western food culture. This led to the fusion of traditional and modern flavors. So in globalization, Korean cuisine has gained global popularity with dishes like bibimbap, Korean barbecue, and the tteokbokki become well known worldwide. Regional variation: Korean cuisine varies significantly across different regions, each boasting unique ingredients and cooking style that reflect local resources and cultural influences. So Korean cuisine continues to evolve, blending tradition with modernity and showcasing the country's rich culinary heritage.
Thailand, a stir-fried rice noodle dish commonly served as a street food in Thailand as part of their country's cuisine. Pad Thai was born in Thailand during the time of World War II. Dur- During a rice shortage, it was done out of necessity so that the Thais would consume more noodles instead of Thailand. South Asian cuisine. Countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia offers offers vibrant cuisine characterized by bold flavors, aromatic herbs and spices. The the use of ingredients like lemongrass, galangal, and coconut milk is common. Next, please.
So, South Asian cuisine. South Asian cuisine is dominated by countries like India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. South Asian cuisine is known for its extensive use of spices and herbs. Dishes often feature complex spice blends, and staples include rice and various types of bread. Curry dishes are prevalent with regional variations. So South Asian cuisine is also known for extensive use of spices and herbs and deeply rooted in history, culture, and regional traditions. It includes the culinary traditions of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and the Maldives. That they share some common elements such as the use of aromatic spices, rice, lentils, and flatbreads. And also South Asian cuisine is known for its bold flavors like cumin, coriander, turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and mustard seeds. Next. So northern India and Pakistan. So northern India and Pakistan is use yogurt extensively in their curries. So um, Northern India and Pakistan share deep cultural, culinary ties due to their common past, especially before the um, partition of 1947. That their food is known for its rich flavors, use of dairy and tandoor cooking. So here are some of their popular dishes, which is the Punjab, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh, Himachal and Uttarakhand, Khyber and Pakhtunkhwa, and also Kashmir. Next.
Incorporate coconut milk to create rich, flavoral dishes. The diverse climates and cultural within South Asia have led to a wide array of regional species. So, Indian and Sri Lanka cuisine share some similarities, which is rice, lentils, and spices. Sri Lanka food has a distinct flavor profile with more emphasis on coconut, a wide variety of spices, and unique dishes like hoppers, making it a separate culinary identity, all through heavily influenced by Southern Asian cuisine.
Modern transformations. Asian cuisine has evolved recently due to globalization, technology, and shifting societal tastes. The blending of traditional Asian flavors with Western techniques has led to the creation of innovative dishes showcasing the dynamic nature of food culture. Shanghai's, di pa ako tapos. Shanghai's Western food emerged in the 19th and 20th centuries from foreign dishes, blending Western and Chinese influences into a unique local cuisine. Examples include Shanghainese borscht and pork schnitzel with hot soy sauce. Filipino cuisine is a fusion of Chinese, Spanish, Malaysian, Thai, and Mongolian influences, creating a unique culinary tradition. The evolution of Asian cuisine highlights its adaptability and resilience, shaped by both internal innovations and external influences, from ancient practices to modern fusion. Asian cuisine continues to be a dynamic and celebrated part of the global food scene. That's all.